Hi guys, this is icharity. I welcome you to my YouTube channel where I normally talk about awesome programs that can make you money with little or minimal effort. In my last video, I talked about this powerful program, iCharity, and a lot of people have been asking questions about the iCharity. So in this video, I want to quickly make some clarifications. In the iCharity, there are three ways you can earn. First one is by direct referral. Once you join on once you do your free sign up and you activate by paying your first donation of $20, equivalent to 6,000 naira. Once you do this, your account will be activated and you will be on level 1. So what you are going to do next is to go to the marketing tab of the iCharity dashboard. Once you log in, you will see it on the left hand side. You will see marketing. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will see some drop down menus. So choose add gallery. In the add gallery, you will see a lot of ad links that you can use. You will see banner links. You will see share link for all the social media. If you're on Facebook, it's just a click. You click on it and it will automatically be posted on your timeline. If you're on Twitter, if you're on LinkedIn, if you are on Google Plus, this is a very powerful marketing system for everybody, and it has already been done for you. So you have no excuse not to even make it in this program. So doing that marketing yourself, you can get referrals directly, and when you get the referrals directly, you earn. Another way you can earn is when you are in a very good team and your upline continue to refer after getting its own 5. So the extra referrals will be shared to the downlines. Like if you are in my team, I promote my program on so many places. So if you are in my team and I already get my 5, so any other person that is joining might you might be lucky and get the spillover like that, and that is a second way of earning. Another way of earning is maybe somebody just go to the iCharity website and just register without joining through any referral link. The person will just be assigned to any random member, and if the person upgrades, the member will just earn like that. So those are the three ways you can earn in the iCharity. So if you follow all these three ways, you can quickly earn, and maybe in just few weeks you'll be earning up to 300,000 or even more. So thank you for watching this video, the update on iCharity, and I will see you in the inside of the iCharity. So I wish you good luck. The referral link to join the iCharity is just below this video. So do yourself a favor and click on the referral link. So till I see you in my next video, I say bye bye.